SEO, four key SEO considerations when rebranding and changing domains. Doing a rebrand and changing your domains. On here are the top of four things to consider to ensure an SEO friendly rebranding and domain migration. Rebranding happens for a number of reasons, whether it's a result of a company acquisition or a business decision. Changing company names introduce a number of risks to website organic search performance. During a rebrand and domain migration, there are a number of factors to consider other than the more traditional SEO migration consideration. In this article, I am going to explore what some of these considerations from experience have been highlights example of how some companies have handled this type of migration in the past. Key SEO consideration during rebrand and domain migration: if possible, generate single beforehand. As with the example further in the article, who begin to create signal prior to the migration, using the old website and domain as a vehicle to deliver signal of the transition over a short time period can ease the process for both users and Google. Signals to increase the occurrence of the two website brands can be generated in a number of ways: internationally through content and meta data changes, externally through traditional marketing and PR. If a possible, retain URL structure when performing any type of migration. Changes to URL structure and content placement can lead to headache and potential risk. As a result, you will need to compile a thorough redirects list and process in order to retain all previous signal and equity. Accommodate for previous brand searches through content. Generate new signals. One of the biggest mistake I have come across when companies go through a rebrand and domain and changes is that they look at traffic and ranking KPIs. They don't generate new signals of the new domain and brand through link building, digital PR or traditional marketing. Rather, they go organic as a channel in SEO. When putting together the redirects list, you will identify high importance link potentially with branded anchors and commercial anchors process pointing to the old domain. Example of rebranding and domain migration: as with a number of practice in SEO, best practical is often defined in theory, with the practical application varying to accommodate the other variable including business need, resources and platform. Below are two examples of large companies who have gone through a name change as part of rebrand acquisition. The process need to migrate the equity from one domain to another. The domain now redirects completely to a produced landing page, creating for demand where search is as the core of self-score diamond.